Hello, my name is Spencer, and this is the very first YouTube video that I'm ever gonna make, right here. Been wanting to make this video for a while, and what we're gonna do today is install a 3dfx Voodoo 5 5500 card into a Windows 98 machine. And it should be a lot of fun. Alright, just so you guys know, I'm shooting this on a Sony Handycam. It's probably about 6 years old now. And this is where all my computer shit is. And the box we need is this one right here. And the card we're looking for is the only one that's in bubble wrap. Right here. Look at that beauty. PCI. Hopefully this will go well. This is the Windows 98 machine we are going to be putting the Voodoo 5 in. And as you can see, it is a compact Presario with Windows 98. And I really like this abstract case design that opens up like this to reveal a CD writer and a DVD-ROM. Now, this particular computer I got from a storage unit that someone was getting rid of a bunch of stuff out of. Okay, so I just had to put a memory card in this Sony Handycam because the hard drive is failing. But for those of you that were wondering, this is a 5900Z model. And I found it somewhere in a magazine on Google. It was apparently top of the line back in the day. It's got this little blue cover deal right down there. Pretty interesting. Very weird looking case. But let's crack this baby open. Now, I had already taken out all the screws before I realized that the hard drive was failing on the camera. So we can just open this bad boy up just like this to reveal all of its insides. And as you can see down there, we already do have a 16 megabyte 3dfx Voodoo 3 card in there with a sound blaster and an Ethernet standard. I don't remember how much RAM's in there, but I know it's got a Athlon at around 600 megahertz. Now we're gonna need to take this old card out so we can fit the new one in there. Hopefully the new one fits in there. Hopefully. Alrighty, let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Well, just found out that this is an AGP 3dfx. This is a PCI 5500 Voodoo 5. So what we're gonna have to do is screw it. Might as well put both of them in, right? See if that works. Maybe it's not possible, but I guess we're gonna try it. Will it fit? And will this even recognize both of them and allow us to use both of them? The world may never know. Alright, just like that. Now we have two Voodoo 3 cards inside of this Windows 98 compact Presario 5900Z. So, I guess now the only thing to do is go grab another monitor and we'll just have to go from there. See if they both work. Well, I better plug in that power on that. That might be wise. Perfect. Now let's fire this baby up. Alright, I'm just gonna have to point the camera at the screen, because I don't have any capture devices or anything like that. So hopefully you don't hate me too much for doing that, but it should just turn on just like that. Compact, alright. Perfect. There it is. And as you can see, this computer is registered to a person. Alright. Alright, whatever. Alright, there's the desktop that I was looking for. Okay, so there it is. So we got 384 megabytes of RAM. It doesn't tell you the processor speed, but it is a 600 or 700 megahertz AMD Athlon. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go and find the driver for the Voodoo. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so took me an unnecessarily long time to find the driver, but this screensaver had filled up this much with marbles literally about a minute or two ago, and I was just about to turn the camera on, but then it turned off, or it reset, and I was like, oh darn. But we got the drivers, so let's see what we can do. Alright, so here's the USB. We're gonna plug it into the front, hopefully. Boom. And then I have the third-party drivers installed, so it just automatically pops up like, oh, you got a USB mass storage device. Yep. And just like that, it's done. Oh, nice. It actually worked. I didn't think that was gonna work. Holy shit. Fuck yeah. That is insane. Now we just gotta get it going. Here we go. And now we have a dual screen Windows 98 setup right here. Really happening. Didn't think I was gonna get it to work, but holy crap. It worked. That's amazing. Well, that's my first video right there. Installing a 64 megabyte Voodoo 5500 PCI inside of a Windows 98 machine. And I had a lot of fun doing it. And if you like this video, please leave a comment below and hit that like button. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and hit that dislike button. And thanks for watching.